To all subordinates of flight NJ6676 from Predator, may we have your attention please. To ensure we manage the limited space. On passengers of flight 53856.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Buong puso po namin kayong tinatanggap dito sa lipad PR2P 2996 patungong Cebu. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you on board your PR2P 2996 bound for Cebu. Our pilot and command is Captain Ray Boy, and this is your lead cabin crew Mike. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft that they have on Canada Dash 8400 next generation. Please watch your cabin crew in front, Joe. To fasten your seatbelt, push hands together. To tighten, loosen a strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift up a buckle, pull to and release. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Sleep fast over your head. Take tape around your waist and push hands to buckle. Always tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull the sharply the two infusion cords at the lower end. And if life vest fails to inflate, blow into mount tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety cards found in the seat pocket in front of you. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. fasten. We will be calling around to assist you as you prepare for our arrival. Please refrain from removing anything from the aircraft and ensure that your cell phones are in airplane mode. And please be informed that there is a temporary ban on the transport of pork into Cebu. If you are carrying pork or any pork-related products, please consume or dispose them before landing. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Cabin crew remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Cebu. The time now is 40 minutes past the hour 4 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We will commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive the clearance to do so. On behalf of Captain Ray Bowie, together with First Officer Jericho Salamat, your cabin crew on the back, Joe, and this is your lead cabin crew, Mike. We thank you for flying Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino.